back to it.
Are you praying every day, 3 times a day?
Yes, sir, I am.
Well, good for you. And I'll agree with you, stay on your knees, because it will make a difference. Appreciate that, friend. Thank you. Okay, 800-408-8888. And my problem. And so often we ask God for things, and before God can do it His way, what do? We are impatient. We're not willing to wait, so we go at making this come to pass in our own way. God says we need to wait. It is difficult to wait. It is very difficult to wait. We think things are falling apart around us, or things need to be changed right now. It's so easy to say, well, Lord, I just want to thank you, and I'm just going to move ahead. He says, I waited patiently for the Lord. Now, every facet of my life, He said, we're not going to be ashamed. Some of the time, one of the reasons that we is because God turn the eyes to the because He says it's so beautiful here. On the road forward. Divine emphasis when thou didst awesome things which we did not expect. Thou didst come down the mountain of thy presence. Look at this. All from of old. That is not one considered by you. Neither has the eyes of God like you.
Take exit 235 on the right to I-840 West.
Acting in your personal act. Think of it. Circumstances. God is ready to act in behalf of those who wait for Him. Those who say, Lord, I can't. I'm trusting you. I'm depending upon you. I'm waiting upon you. I'll do whatever you say do. God, show me what to do next. He says God acts in behalf of those who wait for Him. Now, I don't know about you. It's good to have friends. It's good to have people who love you. It's good to have people who are supportive of you. But listen, when you've got God acting in your behalf, you cannot lose. Amen? You can't lose. When God says, look, He says, you wait upon me and I'll act in your behalf. What you have is you have all the sovereign power of the universe behind you to act in your behalf. There is no way to lose when He is the one who's acting in your behalf. That's why He says those who wait for Him, they're not going to be ashamed. Why? Why not? Because all of heaven is behind those who place their trust in Him. And the truth is, you can go from Genesis to Revelation, and every time one of God's saints had a victory, they were trusting God.